Everybody wanted to see this high-top Chevy G20 van, and we're gonna have to show it quick because I have sold it. That's right, boys and girls of the internet, I have sold it. So check this out. $89,000 original miles. That's right, 89,000 original miles. 350 fuel injected V8, 700 R4 overdrive transmission. Got some Wrangler, Goodyear Wrangler SRA tires on it. Pretty decent looking. Got the older style Chevrolet rims with center caps and beauty bands. Like I said, this is a 5.7 liter 350, and this is the fuel injected. The throttle body fuel injected V8. And I was jump starting it off the trusty Suburban. This hook prop down. This van has one of those chair lifts in it that still works. Works well. It's rusty. Spare tire. This is the table that goes in the back. Those are always hard to find. Mine was missing it. That's cool. Running board's long since rotted off. State Trooper sticker, National Wildlife Federation, Golden Eagles National Rifle Association. Power windows, power door locks, a whole lot of pockets to put stuff. And don't forget she got that tree fitting. Tree fitting. Tree fitting. Got tree fitted. Oh, but I've got this thing sold, so, and we're almost out of gas. I got to get it over here to this processing area real quick. There ain't nothing behind me, is there? No. Sadly enough, I wanted to sell this whole van. To sell this whole van as one piece, but the guy didn't want the whole van. He wanted the drivetrain and everything out of it. And I was like, well, you're gonna have to buy the whole van. And so then he did, and then he paid me to take the motor and trans out because he didn't want it. Isn't that a shame? Didn't want the whole van, just wanted the drivetrain. I'm about out of gas. Just wanted this motor and trans. So, I sold the van for what I wanted out of it. And he just wants the motor and transmission, so. Like I said, I wanted to sell the whole van as one piece so somebody could have a whole van. But when you meet the asking price and then tell me you only want part of the van, well, what am I supposed to do? That's too much money. That's like paying full price for a car and then only one half of it. Some people have more money than sense, I guess, and that's fine with me. Whatever makes money, right? So the big Chevy van, well, I'm just making the money. We didn't want like $1,200 for the whole thing. I didn't want to part it out, but once again, if you pay $12 and then just tell me you want the motor and trans, I'm gonna make that real quick. $1,200 for a drivetrain with 80,000 miles on it, and that's what I wanted for the whole van. Then I can scrap the body and everything for parts. That's worth it every day of the week. every day of the week. Oh, there's those lights. Pretty neat. Cool. Blower motor works good. I don't think the air works. I didn't hear a compressor click or anything. Headlights. Horn. David McDaniel. What else? Ashtray, don't look like it's ever been used. Oh yeah. Storage tray, more air vents down here. Wooden cup holders. She was a Luxo boat, that's for sure. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright. Okay. Look at that. Oil pressure, voltage, temperature. I'm telling you. This would have made somebody a great van. That's okay. Can't save them all, ain't that right, guys? And I could put this steering wheel in my truck. Steering wheel. I'm starting to fall apart. Cool beans. We hate to see her go, but Lord, to watch her leave. Back this thing up just a hair. Shutting her down. This battery's toast. Yep. That's the end of it. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.